Hello class. So today we're going to answer this worksheet that I already gave you, and you are going to answer as much as you can, okay, from your previous knowledge. So I'm going to give you 10 minutes to answer this. Okay, perfect. So now we're going to pay attention to the projector, and we're going to learn today about the different coins that exist in the United States. Okay, so this one, does anyone have seen this before? No? Okay, does anyone have seen one of these coins before? Yes? Where? In the store? Okay, perfect, yes. So, okay, the first one, we're going to learn first this one that is worth 1 cent. Okay, this coin is worth 1 cent and it's called a penny. And as you can see, this is what color?
Brown?
Brown, yes, it's brown. Perfect. Okay, so here I have 1 cent for you to see, and it is brown, right? Okay, so the second one, the nickel. The nickel, what color is the nickel? Silver? Yes, silver, perfect. Okay, the nickel is worth 5 cents. Okay? Perfect. How much is it worth?
5 cents.
5 cents, perfect. Okay, here I have 1 nickel. So, what color is it?
Silver.
Silver, okay. And do you think the nickel is bigger or smaller than the cent? Smaller? Okay, let's see. Yes, the nickel is, no. The nickel is bigger than the cent. Okay, perfect. So the third one is the dime. The dime. The dime is worth 10 cents. Okay, how much? 10. Okay, and what's the name of this?
Dime.
A dime, perfect. And do you think it's bigger or smaller than the nickel?
Bigger.
It's bigger? Okay, let's find out that. Okay, here I have the nickel and the dime. Here is the dime and here is the nickel. Is it bigger? No, right? It's not. Okay, so this one is the smallest coin of all this. Okay, and okay, the fourth one. Here we have the quarter, and the quarter is worth 25 cents. How much?
25.
25 cents. Okay, perfect. And do you think it's bigger than the nickel or smaller? Or is bigger than the dime or smaller?
Bigger.
Bigger? Okay, let's see. Here I have the dime and here I have the quarter. So yes, as you can see, the quarter is the biggest of all coins. So here I have a nickel and here I have a cent. Okay, because it's worth 25 cents. Okay, perfect. Now, here, how much is a penny worth?
1 cent.
1 cent, perfect. And if we have five pennies, how many cents do we have?
5.
5, perfect. And what coin is worth 5 cents? Do you remember that?
The quarter.
The quarter? No, the quarter is worth 25 cents. Okay, so the nickel is worth 5 cents. So if we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 pennies, we have 1
Nickel.
nickel, perfect. Okay, now here we have 10 pennies, and 10 pennies are 10 cents, perfect. Okay, and if we have 2 nickels here, we have 5 cents plus 5 cents, we have 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 cents, perfect. And if we have 2 nickels that are worth 10 cents, which one is the coin that is worth 10 cents? Do you remember?
The dime.
The dime, perfect. Okay, so the dime is worth 10 cents. 2 nickels are worth 10 cents. And 10 pennies are worth 10 cents. Okay, perfect. So here we have, which coin is it?
Dime.
A dime. Do you see that it's really small or it's really big?
Big.
It's big, so which one is the biggest? A quarter, perfect. So here we have 4 quarters. A quarter is worth 25 cents, okay? So if we have 4 quarters, here I have 4 quarters. This is worth this bill. Have any one of you seen this before?
Yes.
Where?
At home.
At home? Okay, yeah, it's true. So here, this bill is worth $1. And if we have 4 quarters, it's the same as if we have $1. Okay, so if we have 4 quarters, it's equal to
$1.
$1. Perfect. Or
4 quarters.
4 quarters. Okay, perfect. Okay, so here I'm gonna give you a worksheet and you're going to answer, to match, for example, here to whatever, and I'm gonna give you 5 minutes of what you've learned here. Okay. Okay, so now you're gonna pay attention here and we're going to review this as a group. Okay, so the first one, what's the name of this coin?
Penny.
Penny. Why? How do you know that?
It's brown.
It's brown. Perfect. Okay, so you match here the penny. Okay, so now, which one is it? Is this? Remember, is the smallest one? Do you remember the name? A dime? Okay, perfect. So here is the dime and it's worth 10 cents. Perfect. So now this one. Remember, this, as you can see, is the biggest one. Do you remember how much it's worth?
25.
25 cents. And what's the name of this?
Quarter.
A quarter. Perfect. Okay, so you match that. And here, the last one, do you remember? A nickel. Perfect. And how much is worth? Okay, 5 cents. Perfect. Perfect.